How to create a Bingx account bonus $5,500 plus. You won't believe what happened when I discovered this insane Bingx crypto bonus. Must watch until the end. Hey there, my name's Ryan and I've got an incredible crypto opportunity to share with you guys today. If you're interested in making some serious cash in the crypto markets, you're definitely gonna want to stick around and watch this video all the way through. Now, I know a lot of you crypto brothers out there are probably thinking, yeah, right, another get-rich-quick scheme. But trust me, this is the real deal. I've been trading crypto for years now, and I've never seen an opportunity like the one I'm about to show you. You see, I recently discovered this crypto exchange called Bingx, and let me tell you, the bonuses and features they offer are out of this control. I'm talking about up to $500 in bonuses, folks. And the best part is, it's all totally legit and above board. Now, I know what you're thinking. How the heck do I get my hands on that kind of dough? Well, my friends, that's where the magic happens. All you gotta do is head over to Bingx, create an account, and use the referral code 911 when you sign up. That's it. Boom, instant cash in your pocket. But that's not all, folks. Bingx is packing some serious heat when it comes to their trading platform. I'm talking top-notch security, lightning-fast execution, and a user-friendly interface that even your grandma could navigate. And let's not forget the insane variety of trading pairs and products they offer. I'm talking Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, you name it, they've got it all. Now, I know what you're thinking, but Ryan, what if I'm a complete noob when it comes to crypto trading? Well, have no fear, my friends. Bingx has got your back. They've got a ton of educational resources and tutorials to help you get up to speed in no time. And if you ever need a little extra help, their customer support team is always there to lend a hand. But the real kicker, the thing that really sets Bingx apart, is the community. I'm talking about a tribe of crypto enthusiasts and traders who are all about sharing knowledge, offering support, and celebrating each other's wins. It's like a big OL crypto family, and let me tell you, it's a beautiful thing. So, if you're ready to take your crypto game to the next level and cash in on some serious dough, head on over to Bingx, create an account, and use that referral code 911. Trust me, you'll be glad you did. And remember, folks, when it comes to the crypto world, timing is everything. So don't sleep on this opportunity. Get in on the action before it's too late. All the links and info you need are in the description below, so be sure to check them out. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on those notifications because I've got a ton of other crypto gold coming your way. Alright, that's it for now, my friends. Let's go make some money.